And welcome back. Well, with me today, right now, is Mr. Stuart Spencer, of course, of Advanced Ear Care. And he told me you got to give him a little slack, his little jet lag, because he was over in the Philippines. And we're going to bring you photos of his trip over there. So welcome, sir.
Well, thank you, Ken. Great to see you again.
Yeah, great to have you here today.
Yeah, just dropped back in from the Philippines. Amazing mission. I was there about 9 days. And, with the Starkey Hearing Foundation.
Yeah.
And wow, I'm always so impressed with the systems that they have there. These are just some of the team members. These are some girls that are locals, and this Mia we took from Thousand Oaks actually, and this gal's from the Philippines. One's from Australia down there. They're from all over the world. We meet in these places and land. Audiologists, hearing aid specialists, just administrative people, data people. That absorb all this data of all these people that come in. And they record them, track them, see how long they wear their hearing aids, where they're at, so they can follow up with all of them after our initial fittings and make sure they're wearing the hearing aids. They don't have any questions about how to use them.
Yeah.
Or, if anything happens, they break one or, they need a battery or, more fitting on their molds or something like that. My gosh, I'm always so impressed. We walk in about 6 a.m. in the morning and there's like 500 to 800 people, right? All lined up, in rows of 30.
Wow, that's a lot of people.
We start at number one, look in their ears and go right down the list. They go to an orientation, and then they do a registration, and that's very detailed. And then they come in, fit them with molds. They get the hearing test, and then we just start fitting them with the molds and the hearing aids, and then they go to counseling and. They get a little kit to take home, and so they understand how to do it. It's a long day.
I bet.
Believe me. But
Pete, you said people come from all over the world.
All over
so
the
it's
world,
not just your group that's there.
That's right.
Okay.
No, it's a real team that Starkey Foundation puts together. Some of that team. This round was from Cambodia, a few from Vietnam. Of course, a lot from Minneapolis. That's their main headquarters for Starkey Foundation. And then, all over the world. So it's really neat. There's just such a special energy about these people, right? All givers, all excited to help people, diving in. These are some of the local diplomats here, little cute pictures. This is just a lady that was a lot of fun. Bill Austin there in the middle. Bill and Tanny Austin, they're the leaders of the foundation. And this is a part of the local team that's there at a dinner.
Let me ask you, as far as your group that you take, are they all local people? How do you get them together? Because they're not all.
I was the only one from this area.
Okay.
Other than this young lady that was a volunteer from Thousand Oaks.
Okay.
Mia, and so it was a pleasure to take her with us and just see the whole development, her mesh into the team. It's pretty remarkable.
As I remember you telling me,
exciting.
they're not all people that are necessarily in this field at all.
That's
they
right.
just go there to help whatever they
Everybody does
possibly
just
can
so
do.
many different things,
Yeah.
and you need them all.
Right.
You get there and there's that many people. Just to move people, feed them. Keep them all.
Did you go to one location
with water? We went to
one like central place.
It was two this time.
Okay.
We went to Pampanga, Philippines, which is about. I'd say 3 hours away from Manila. And then we flew over to Bohol,
Okay.
Bohol. And that was amazing, a different location there.
Yeah.
So, and basically we're in auditoriums or gyms, big venues, so we can get everybody in there, all of our team and then all of the people that need to be served. And, it's just remarkable. Then we go into the fittings. And helping these children or even the adults, it's a pretty emotional day, By the end of the day, you're ready to relax.
Yeah, I bet.
That's for sure.
And it's got to be rewarding, though.
It's fantastic stuff. I'd do it every day if I could.
Yeah.
It's great work.
Really good. Now, something coming up on November 21st. You're going to be hosting a free lunch and learn about hearing health, and this is going to be at the Geneva Presbyterian.
Yep.
So if people would want to do this, do they need to call you?
They do.
And get your name on the list? Okay.
So that would be great if they could call so we can, kind of know how many people that we're going to be serving. We're expecting about 100. Their Geneva Presbyterian Church is so nice to host us for this event. You know, there's just a lot of information today about hearing and hearing aids that people need to know. And so, you know, sometimes they're a little apprehensive, you know, to come in and, you know, find out, you know, in an individual basis, in kind of a group setting.
Yeah.
You know, we say, hey, leave your wallet at home. You know, we just want to give you the information. And so it's a fun venue. You know, we have a special guest, Paul Writing, you know, flying in to do the main part of the presentation. Lisa Kaufman's going to be there from Caption Call. Our regional director, Deb Castor, is going to be there as well. I'm going to be there and do a little history on advanced ear care, and then just talk about where technology is at today. And, you know, while I was in the Philippines, there was one of the lead research engineers there for Starkey. And boy, you know, I mean, there's some stuff coming down that is really going to be exciting in hearing healthcare that we can't really talk about yet, but it's just going to get better and better, Ken. And so we're going to talk about some of that at this event and kind of what is available today. I don't think people really realize what's available and how it impacts them and how simple these technologies are to use and how much they really magnify their experience with, you know, hearing and interacting with people and understanding speech more clearly. So that's what this event's about. So we're really excited about it. We've never really done one, you know, so this is fun. And
I think this will be good.
for them to host us, you know, it's just really a blessing.
And so if you ever have, you know, maybe you don't need hearing aids yet, or you don't think you need them, or whatever it might be.
That's right.
You know, there's a good chance that one day you probably will. And here you can find out all the latest technology and
get a great free lunch.
Get a good free lunch.
Yeah, that's right. No, it's just, you know, it's just going to be a couple hours, so it'll just be a fun venue to stop by and enjoy. I think people will really like the information.
But call.
Would be great.
And so the number that's on the flyer here, 949-313-7244. If you forget that, go to advancedaircare.com, and from there you can call their main number there, 949-354-0079. Either number is going to work. And
that's right. They'll get to us. That's right.
All right.
We'll enjoy seeing everybody. Thank you so much, Ken.
Yeah, great to see you. Welcome back.
Always great. Thank you so much. Great to be back.
Take care. We'll be right back.